Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the Revell 85 Camaro Z28. So far things are moving along pretty good. Got a few parts painted up here. Getting ready to assemble it all. But I come across a few little flaws in this body. I think you may have noticed it if you've seen my finger when I first unboxed this in the previous video. There was a flaw right here. And if you look at it this way, you can see that this side is actually thicker than this side. No big deal. It needs to be sanded down. I just thought it was kind of interesting. And my biggest complaint is where the mirrors attach and glue in. This little part here, I don't know if you can see it real good, it's very thick. And when you put the interior tub in to the body, put it in where it goes, you can see it actually pushes inward on both sides. So I'm going to have to break out the old Dremel tool, start doing some fine detailing work on these two pieces here, and a few little miscellaneous pieces of mold that just kind of oozed out. Those are no big deal, we'll just sand them down. Other than that, the body's pretty straight. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm going to get it all wiped down with some rubbing alcohol, clean it up, get the mold release greases and all that kind of stuff from the factory off of it. So let me get ahead here and do a little bit more work, and I'll get right back to you. See you in just a quick second. So what I did was I took the trusty old Dremel tool, put it on its lowest setting, 1 right there, and then I just came in and meticulously went through this little section here, both sides. Sorry if that was too loud in the camera there. And then I, cut away a bunch of the extra material that was there. And now, when I put the interior bucket back in, the seams are much better here. And when it's in there straight, you see it's much better there too. I can live with that little bit there. So, onward and upward, as they say, to the next section. See you in a bit.